Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a fun haul for you guys. I love doing fashion hauls. If you guys don't know already, if you've been watching my videos, you know I love fashion hauls. So I got a lot of clothes from different stores. So I have some from Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Papaya, and then there's one more that I'm going to show you at the end. But before we begin, guys, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, click on the notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I do post 5 days a week, guys. So I would love to have you. Why not join me? It is free. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start with Ross first because I got most of the things from Ross, and then I'm gonna move on to, well, you'll see. So the first thing I wanted to show you guys is actually this top. So it's a set, and let me show you the shorts. So it comes with these shorts right here. They are so freaking cute. So it is, like I said, a two-piece, and it comes with this shirt. Guys, I love wearing something like this around the house because I feel like it's so comfortable, but yet it's really chic and cute at the same time. And guys, and let me tell you, this is so soft and comfortable. You will want to sleep in it. It is amazing. And guess how much this was? This was $9.99. So basically it's $5 a piece. I think that's a really amazing deal. This was the only one I seen. I didn't see it in any other size. And to be honest with you, I did want to get it in a small just because I noticed that these shorts are, I wouldn't say they look big on me. Like, it does not look big, but around my waist is a little, just a teeny bit loose, and I do like it a little bit more cinched in around the waist. And then right here, it is pretty fitted. Well, not pretty fitted, but it is fitted, but it does have at the same time a little bit of, like, you know, it's a little loose. So it's fine. Like I said, I'm gonna wear this for home. Maybe if I run errands, I will also wear it out. So that's the cool part. If you're wearing it at home and you need to run some errands, you don't have to change. Just go as you are and you're good. And then the next one is probably, like, hands down one of my favorite out of this whole haul, and it is this super gorgeous top right here. So it is sheer on the sleeves, it's long sleeves, and it has polka dots. Look at that. And then right here it is ruched, so it's like fitted, but yet it's very chic, it's sexy and classy. This will never go out of style. It is beautiful. And yeah, like I said, look at this. This is gorgeous. And this was $8.99. I think this is such a great deal. To be honest with you, when I seen it at Ross, I really thought it's gonna be like $12.99 or $13.99. And when I saw $8.99, I couldn't believe it just because it's so pretty. The quality is truly amazing. Now with this, you do put it like a regular top. It is not over the shoulder, but you can make it over the shoulder if you like. I did notice that when I wear it over the shoulder, it does kind of go up just because it's more tight around here. But like I said, you can still do that. It is not a crop top because, I mean, I am short, so it depends on your height. It might be a crop top to you if you are taller, but for me, it is not. I think it hits me at the perfect length, and I love wearing this with some skinny jeans. I just think it's very flattering. Like some light wash denim, maybe some nude pumps. I just think that would be amazing. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is in a size large. The last item that I got at Ross are these shorts right here. So you guys know this tie-dye watercolor print is so in trend right now, and I'm digging it. So this is in a size extra large. And if you guys don't know, with my shorts, especially shorts like this, I always tend to get it either in a large or extra large just because I'm very curvy. If I don't size up on short, it'll look like my booty ate those shorts. And I'm just being real, like that's what it looks like. It just does not look right. Half of my butt cheeks will be hanging out. That's not the look that I'm going for. I don't like that. With shorts like this, I like them more to be loose and comfy. And most likely, I'm just gonna wear these around the house with maybe like a white tank. I just think it's really simple but super cute. And this was $5.99. So again, I do think it's a really great deal. And if you guys see shorts like this from Ross, I do advise you get it if you want to be like comfy around the house but cute at the same time, because not only are they cute, but guys, these are so stretchy and so soft, super comfy. So that's why I really love them. I love this band. And I also like the fact that the drawstring is actually a working drawstring. A lot of these drawstrings, when it comes with shorts, they're just for looks, they're not real. So I really appreciate that they did that, because getting in a size extra large, sometimes it ends up being a little loose on my waist. So it's perfect that I can like pull it in and, you know, it's good. And then moving on to Marshalls. Now, only got one thing from Marshalls. I was kind of browsing around and I honestly didn't think I was gonna find anything, but I did. So like I said, it's one thing, but guys, I know I told you that black top like is probably one of my favorites from this whole haul, but I think this one is like a close second. Like this, either they go hand in hand or this is my second favorite, because this sweater is so gorgeous. So it looks like this. And I don't know, it might not look like much when you just look at it, but guys, this sweater is so beautiful. It's so flattering. And when I put it on, I just feel beautiful. You know, one of those clothing pieces that you put on and you're like, yes, and you just feel so good in? Well, this is the sweater that makes me feel really good. And no, I'm not gonna wear it yet just because it is super hot here in Cali, but I definitely will be wearing it for the fall time. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like different kinds of colors inside of it. So there's like a red, orange, light purple, and that's pretty much it. And then it has like white in between. Now, when I first looked at it, I was like, I don't really know if I like it, because I don't know. It's one of those that you just don't know, but at the same time, I'm like, it might be cute. And I got this in a size large because sweaters like this, I do like them to be oversized. I just think it looks more chic. And I decided to try it on. The moment I tried it on, guys, I snatched it. And I'm telling you, this is so flattering, especially if you girls have a large chest like me. I have a 34 triple D. Sweaters like this is very flattering. I am very careful what clothing to buy, because there are some that make me look bigger than I am, or it's not flattering. It just doesn't look right. And this just like drapes beautifully. It just looks good. Guess how much I paid for it. You guys will not believe it. This was $4. Original price $16.99 for $4. Like, where do you find such a gorgeous sweater for $4? Maybe Walmart when they have their clearance sale, but I honestly never found anything like this at TJ Maxx for it being $4. And I love the fact that it has kind of like the bell sleeves style. Like when you guys will see it, because I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, but the way it drapes, and it's kind of more like loose and bigger around here. It's just gorgeous. At first I was kind of worried, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. And like I said, I'm really happy I got it, and really happy that it was literally my size. Like sweaters like this, I usually get in a size large, sometimes extra large, just to give me that loose, you know, chic look to it. And then moving on to Marshalls. Now Marshalls, again, I only got one thing, and it's actually not a clothing piece, it's makeup. I'm not gonna show you the price yet, so you can guess. So this is the Laura Geller Glow Beyond. It's a two-piece luminous kit that includes a one supersized high-definition glow illuminator in Moon Dust and one hydrating lip gloss topper in Moon Dust. Guys, I love this so much. If you guys know Laura Geller, it's not a cheap makeup brand. It is pretty pricey for just one item, and these are full-size items. This was originally $7.99, but I got this for $4. So basically you pay $2 a piece. And at first I wanted to check to see what's wrong with it, because When I see it for $4, a lot of times I wonder, like, is it because it's broken? Is something wrong with it? So yes, I did have to open it because it was already open. It had this already broken. So I was like, I think it's crushed or something. Guys, there's nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. The only thing I have to say is that this comes off. But honestly, don't mind. I'm just gonna hot glue it and it's fine. Now, this is something that I wasn't sure I was gonna love, just because a lot of times highlighters like this, they're more on the cool tone. This is like it looks straight up white, but I don't know if you can see it. If you look really good, or if my camera catches it, it has like a beautiful pink undertone. But like I said, this is a cool undertone. So a lot of times highlighters like this, especially white and pink, does not look good on my skin tone. And I've tried to make it work so many times and it does not. So I actually have it on right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but please let me know, what do you think? At first, when I put it on, I was like, no, I don't like it. I don't like the way it sits. I can see the pink and it doesn't look natural. But at the end of finishing my makeup, somehow, to me, I feel like it came together really well. So I did use this also as an eyeshadow, and I did use like a glitter topper, and I feel like it just looks really beautiful. So I don't know, let me know, what do you guys think? Hopefully you guys can see that. Can you see that? I don't know, hopefully you can. The lip gloss though, guys, the lip gloss is worth paying the $4 alone. So if it did not have this, I would still be happy with just this. This is so gorgeous. Let me tell you guys, I am probably the pickiest person when it comes to lip glosses. I'm so picky. It's crazy. I used to have so many lip glosses and I literally decluttered almost, I would say 75% of my collection. And this is definitely gonna be like my favorite lip gloss ever. This is one of those lip glosses that go with everything. So let me show you guys. It's like, it looks more like white with shimmers in it, and it has like pink undertone. When I put it on, guys, the only way I could describe it is I feel like a fairy princess. It's so gorgeous. So I have this lip liner on, and I actually really like it. I applied it like a lipstick, and I'm gonna apply it for you guys. I hope you guys will be able to see it. Okay. Okay, so do you guys see that shimmer? It's a perfect, like, shimmery, glittery, like fine glitter lip gloss. This claims that it's a hydrating lip gloss. Most definitely it's hydrating and it's not sticky. I hate sticky lip glosses. This is not sticky whatsoever. And I love it because it does last on my lips quite a bit for it being a lip gloss. Now, obviously, if you eat, it will come off. But, I mean, it is a lip gloss. But for what it is, I love it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't know. And this you can also wear alone, like just the lip gloss alone, if you just want like a nice, shimmery, shiny, juicy, plump, beautiful, juicy lips. This is the gloss to go. I absolutely love it. I'm not into clear glosses because I don't know why. I feel like a lot of clear glosses tend to look like you threw on some oil. But this just looks shiny and juicy. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, I really love it. I'm so impressed. And like I said, if you want to find really good makeup, really dig in at Marshall's and check out their clearance. You would be surprised. A lot of times you will find things that you didn't think they have, or the prices are just amazing. Now, moving on to Papaya. I only got one thing from Papaya. I saw this skirt. Now, I've been wanting some skirts because I thought I had skirts, but apparently I don't have that many skirts. I have the nice like fitted skirts, but I don't have something like this. Now, yes, this is fitted, but at the same time, it kind of has like that flowy factor. You'll see what I mean. But it looks like this. So it's black and it has this really beautiful ruching right here. And it has this slit that is open. And I really like that, guys, because it's not too high. I don't like slits that go so high up my leg that it looks like it's barely hiding my, you know what, like I don't like that look. I like to be on the more conservative side, but at the same time cute, if you know what I mean. And this was a size large, and I got in a large because I don't like skirts like this to be like super cinched in. I want it to be more loose, but I guess because I'm curvy, it still ended up being a semi-fit on the upper portion. As it goes down, it's more loose. This was $9.99, and honestly I thought that was a really great price, guys. This quality is really awesome. It is not sheer whatsoever, and it's super stretchy and soft, so I really love this. I do think that this is a really awesome buy. Now they are having a clearance sale at Papaya right now. That a lot of their clothes that are summer pieces, now they are actually putting it on clearance, so you might want to check it out if you want to see what they have on clearance. Moving on to the last store that I went to, please guys, let me know if you heard of this store. So this store is called Lovisa, and the cool thing is that you can also order these online. So you can go on lovisa.com and you can still find these jewelry pieces if it's not in your area. I do have a store where I go shopping at the mall, and they do have this store that they have so much jewelry. They do have a lot of their jewelry, and I mean a lot of their jewelry. 5 for $15 or 3 for $15. And to be honest with you, I do think that their quality pieces are really good and they are worth picking up. I got 4 of them and I wanted to show you guys. So the first being are these hoop earrings, and to be honest with you, I wish I was wearing these right now. These were on clearance for $3. This you don't have to buy 3 to get it 3 for $15. But it was on their clearance area where everything there was $3, and I only got these because I've been wanting to get larger thick hoop style earrings like this. I do wish it was just like shiny without these little lines. I hopefully you guys can see that, but nevertheless, I love them, guys. They look so chic. They do remind me of J-Lo, and I love J-Lo style with her earrings. Like, hoops are my thing, and I absolutely love it. Now these pieces that I got were 3 for $12, so basically it's $4 a piece. I do think that's a really great deal. So the first piece that I wanted to show you guys, these are probably one of my favorites. They're just gorgeous. So they look like this. The thing about that store is if you don't get the 3 for $12 or the 3 for $15, you do have to pay full price for just one, which makes no sense. So you might as well do that, because for this alone, it's $10.99. But if you buy 3, it ends up being $12. So you pay $1 more and you get 2 more pieces. So of course, I had to get the 3 pieces, and they look like this. These are so gorgeous. I've been meaning to get some earrings like this for the summertime in this beautiful hot pink for such a long time. But a lot of times when I get them, I don't really like them. There's always something that I'm just like, I don't know. I don't really like it. And I did see something like this at Target, but they weren't like exactly the way I wanted. Guys, you have no idea how picky I am. But these are like, everything about them are perfect. So it looks like this. Look at that, guys. They are gorgeous. And then the next item are these right here. So they're like small, not small, I would say medium size hoop earrings with rhinestones on them. Like I told you, I am like the hoop queen, and these just look very elegant. I did see something like this very similar on express.com, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they were like $20. So to get it for $4, I think these are a really great deal. So they look like this, and I absolutely love them. And then last but not least, I got these right here. So I've been wanting to get a pair of earrings like this. I just think they look super chic. They are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love these so much. So it's just very dainty, but it's just so cute. A lot of my jewelry pieces are gold tone. I don't have a lot of the silver tone, but I do like silver as well. I'm just very picky. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love that place. So if you do not have a store in your area, just go on their website and you will find it there. That is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay blessed.